Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to convert or transform photo into AI artwork. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work, and we are using flexclip, and then you see AI tool, so click on it. So we are in AI tool section, and then you see AI image to image, so click on it. So we are in AI image to image, and then you see transform your photos into AI artwork, and then you see multiple option. So we are going to upload image. Now select. So we upload our image. So you can upload your image or any photo, and then select design. Now you see multiple design we have. So this is AI artwork. Now you see enemy, painting, 3D. So you can select any. So we select this, and then you see prompt. If you want, you can add some instruction. Now you see, so it's up to you. And then you see image count 1, and then you see generate button. So click on it. Now starting. Now you see image transform done, and then you can download it. So click on it, and then you see download successfully. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.